Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the most intense hair growth, damaged hair repair treatment I have tried so far, and I am in love with it. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. So the first thing you're going to need is Blue Magic Cholesterol Conditioning Rinse, and you can actually use any type of Blue Magic conditioner. And this conditioner is really great, especially if you have dry, damaged hair, color treated hair, or processed hair. It does a really great job at preventing breakage as well as moisturizing my hair. And my hair always feels really soft after using it, so I'm going to be using about 10 teaspoons of this conditioner today. The next thing I'm going to be using is the chebe powder, and I wasn't a huge fan of this the first time I tried it. I have an entire video talking about the benefits of this powder, but as I continue to try it and use it more, I learned how to use it and I love it. I absolutely love it, and it does an amazing job at repairing my hair and bringing it back to life. I will link my video down below about chebe powder in the description box if you guys are interested in learning more about it, but it's amazing. I only use about 3 teaspoons of it in this treatment. And the last thing I use for this treatment is my hair growth oil, and this oil consists of 12 oils that are specifically formulated to help grow out your hair. And I always mix my hair growth oil in all of my treatments because it just makes it like 10 times better. So I'm gonna go ahead and put about 5 drops of my hair growth oil into this treatment. And if you guys are interested in purchasing the Miriam Hampton hair growth oil, the link is always down below in the description box. So you can purchase it at miriamjhampton.com. Now all I'm going to do is mix all of these ingredients together, and I have my treatment. So I've been doing this treatment a lot recently, especially since I dyed my hair not too long ago, and I just have to make sure that my hair is in good condition and use the best of the best. And this treatment is hands down probably the most intense hair repair, hair growth treatment I've ever used, and I've been loving it. This combo is amazing. Alright, so I like to put this treatment on my hair when it is damp. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. And anytime I do any type of hair treatment, I usually will apply the treatment on my hair when my hair is in sections. I just feel as if it makes the product or whatever type of treatment I'm using apply evenly to my hair and gets all of the strands of my hair. So sections is the way to go. And I'm making sure I apply this treatment from the roots to the ends. And I'm saturating the treatment all over my entire head of hair. So after I apply it all over my entire head of hair, I will take a little bit of the remainder of the treatment and apply it to my scalp. I just make sure I massage that all over my scalp, and then I will go ahead and let this sit in my hair for at least 6 hours. If I was going to sleep, I would keep it in my hair overnight, but you want to keep this in your hair for at least 6 hours. So I ended up leaving the treatment in my hair for about 8 hours, and this is how my hair looks with the treatment still in my hair. You can see that my curls look really defined. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse all of this out of my hair and share with you my results. So this is how my hair looks after I rinsed all of the treatment out of my hair, and this is something that you want to do on a consistent basis, at least once a week if you want to see your hair flourish. My hair feels super moisturized and silky after this treatment. I love doing this treatment. You will definitely see hair growth. If you guys watched my original video on the chebe powder, then you will see that it's really great for length retention. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And hit the bell so notifications can come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.